This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
The morning light filtered through the high windows of the small temple, gently nudging the young monk, Jiro, awake. The temple was silent except for the faint sounds of the village stirring outside, the clink of metal from the blacksmith's forge, the soft murmur of the river, and the birds beginning their daily songs. But inside, Jiro's mind was anything but calm. Every morning, the same internal struggle gnawed at him. He lay in his bed, feeling the comfort of warmth and rest, yet knowing that Master Keiji, the elder monk who had been his teacher for the last 5 years, would soon expect him in the meditation hall. Just 5 more minutes, Jiro would tell himself, but those 5 minutes never seemed to come. A wave of self-doubt always followed, a question that echoed through his mind. What if I'm not meant for this life? What if I'm not capable of truly mastering the way of Zen? Jiro wasn't lazy, he knew that, but something inside him resisted, paralyzed by an overwhelming sense of inadequacy. The other monks seemed to have it all figured out. They woke before dawn without hesitation, each moment brimming with purpose. But Jiro could never escape the feeling that his mornings were stolen, that he was already behind before the day had even begun. The first bell rang, signaling the start of morning meditation. Jiro groaned quietly and slipped out of bed, his body heavy, reluctant. He dressed in silence, the weight of his thoughts pressing against him like a storm cloud. He walked slowly to the meditation hall, 1,000 distractions filling his head. I'll never catch up. I'll never be as good as them. I'll never master myself. Master Keiji was already seated, a calm presence in the middle of the room. His face was peaceful, as always, his eyes closed in stillness. As Jiro took his seat beside him, the master opened his eyes and smiled as if he had been waiting for this moment all along. Jiro, Master Keiji said softly, tell me, what is the most important part of the day? Jiro looked up in confusion. The morning, master, he replied. When the mind is clear, the day is fresh. The morning is when everything begins. Master Keiji nodded, his gaze steady. Yes, that is true. But the most important part of the day is not the morning itself. It is the moment when you decide to wake up. Jiro blinked. But master, I wake up every morning. I wake up when the bell rings. The elder monk chuckled softly. Ah, but waking up is not about the bell or the time of day. It is about what you choose to wake up to. It is about whether you wake up to the potential of the day or to the doubts in your mind. Jiro's thoughts raced, unsure of what the master meant. But master, he said hesitantly, I feel tired, and sometimes I don't want to wake up. I feel like I'm not ready. I worry that I will never be good enough, that I'm not like the other monks. I can't find my motivation. Master Keiji was silent for a moment, and then he spoke with quiet intensity. Jiro, champions do not wake up because they feel ready. They wake up because they have chosen to begin, even when they feel uncertain. Success is not about being prepared or perfect. It is about consistency and the willingness to show up even when you doubt yourself. Jiro looked down at his hands, his thoughts swirling. But how do I keep going when I feel like I'm not making progress? The master's voice softened. Growth is not always visible, Jiro. Sometimes you will not see the change right away, but that does not mean you are not growing. Think of a tree. It does not grow all at once, but it continues to reach for the sky every day, no matter how small the steps. Your journey is like that. It is not measured by how quickly you move, but by how steadily you continue to show up for yourself. Jiro's mind quieted for the first time in days, a shift happening within him. He had always believed that growth required visible, immediate results, that progress meant perfection. He had spent so much time waiting for the day when everything would fall into place, when his efforts would finally be enough. But now, he understood something different. Master Keiji's words continued, flowing gently into Jiro's consciousness. To wake up early is not just about the time you rise, Jiro. It is about the mental discipline to choose what you will focus on. Will you focus on your doubts, Or will you focus on your potential? Will you focus on how far you have to go? Or will you focus on the step in front of you? Jiro nodded slowly. He realized then that his resistance to waking up, to beginning the day, was not rooted in his body's tiredness, but in his mind's fear of failure. Every time he hesitated, it was because he feared not being good enough. He had been so focused on what he could not do that he had missed the small victories of simply trying. The next morning, when the bell rang, Jiro sat up in bed, the familiar wave of hesitation rising in his chest. But this time, he paused. He took a deep breath, remembering his master's words. It is not about perfection. It is about showing up. He stood up, slowly, with a quiet sense of resolve. The world outside was still dark, and the air was cool, but something inside him had shifted. Instead of dreading the day ahead, he welcomed it, embracing the imperfections of his journey and the small steps that would take him forward. Zen reflection. In the quiet moments of hesitation, when you feel most unsure, remember this. True strength is not in the grand gestures but in the small, consistent acts of showing up. Like a champion, you do not wait for the perfect moment to begin. You begin because you choose to, because every step, no matter how small, is a victory in itself. And in showing up, you discover that the journey is already your success. Wake up, not to the world's expectations, but to your own potential. Let each morning be the first step toward the life you are already capable of creating.